Hey y'all, welcome to episode 2 of Hydescience Lab series. In this series, we will start with some very basic lab tools and skills and work our way up as we work throughout the year and add and build onto our skills. What are you doing? So today, we talk about the transfer pipette. We're going to start out with the difference between the sterile and the non-sterile pipettes. And then we'll do a little activity to practice using them. And the main focus is just kind of identifying between these two and learning what these graduated marks mean and then how to pipette using those. So we start off with the class notes. These are available on the website for you to review on hidescience.net and EBT Unit 1. And then we dive into our lab protocol. So what we're doing in this protocol is each student works alone, and they will work. They'll give them one of these cards, this laminated card, and they will use the pipette to transfer over it. So each circle, they're given a unit of measurement, whether it's milliliters, whether it's microliters, or drops, and then they are used following the protocol in which to figure that out. So I'm gonna pause this real quick and drop some milliliters of colored water on this card so you can get a look at what it will look like. All right, so I just use the pipette to pipette some colors over to kind of give you an example of what this looks like. So I know it's terrible view, great equipment I got here, but you can see that we start with small amounts of liquid and we work our way down. What the connection is that whether we're talking about milliliters or microliters, we can see that we can use the pipette to do both and that these amounts are equal. So there's follow-up questions and review of that. So we are using the pipette and we're using our knowledge of the graduation marks and how to use the pipette to pipette out these different measurements in milliliters and these different measurements in microliters. We're trying to get a visual to see that this amount of milliliters is the same as this amount of microliters. Just kind of getting practice with our, fine motor skills on using the pipette. Um, and yeah, that's it. So I'll catch y'all next time for Hydescience Video Series 3, which we will break out the electronic balance.